Fighter Command, from the Transport Command, teaching young individuals from across America how to get ready for their specific mission. The first aircraft on the takeoff pole is the B-17 Flying Horse, recognized aircraft of World War II. And then our two friends from Titan T-51, representing the P-51s of World War II, back in the P-51. An Ohio native. His name, Captain Steve Zavara, originally from Brunswick, Ohio. Duster is now flying the command position of this twin-engine, twin-tail North American B-25 bomber, typical of the fights that left the USS Hornet on their way. Early in World War II. Built by the Grumman Company, it was called the TBM. And the fact that it has an M at the end means it was manufactured for Grumman by General Motors. Flying Division. I'll tell you more about that airplane. It's exploited. These B-17s were built, we can count only 7 to 10 that could fly on any given day. That's the mad bomber, Roger Crawford, mixing gasoline and dynamite. After Pearl Harbor, morale in America was down at a just like this one, the twin-engine, twin-tail B-25 took off from the deck of the Hornet. The first time a bomber this although they had been practicing and rehearsing. They did a bombing raid on Japan. It was minimal in damage. However, the emperors and the warlords and the which was thought might do little to be unsuccessful. He thought that he was going to the thought process of the Japanese. They moved their fleet out further away from the homeland. They moved Rosie in black.
Follow that
women, they did it as well. They were away from anywhere they could to help out. They worked in the dark, dank, conditioned time. They boarded with many of the families that lived around the defense plants. They became the older sisters of the kids. They took their in with the families. They went on picnics when the weather was good. They wrote letters home. They received letters.